Yo, what up, what up? It's another beautiful day, and I'm showing you everything in this vicinity called Ghana, the motherland, Accra to be precise. And this is everything Sam GH. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and follow for more. Enjoy this beautiful night walk to the heart of Pig Farm. People have been hearing, what is Pig Farm? What is Pig Farm? Where is Pig Farm? Today I'm going to show you where Pig Farm is. Look at the moon. Hey, Jesus, how lovely you are. So just take and stay. Let's go. This is a building construction. It's called the Milton. Very beautiful, very nice. Charlie, I hope you know that it's about to go down. So just take and stay with me. Enjoy this beautiful night walk as we are heading towards Pig Farm. Let me hear you say Pig Farm. Are we going to say pigs or we are going to see human beings? Just take and stay. When we get there, you usually see it. Okay.